In this video guys, I'm gonna show you how you can add admins to your Facebook page just in few minutes. Okay, so let's get started. So what you need to do first is you need to go to your home page, to your Facebook home page like this. Okay, as you can see, and what you will do, you should see over here manage. Okay, click over here on manage like this. Okay, as you can see, so just click on manage and you will be directly in this page, and you should see over here overview. Okay, so what you will do, we will scroll down over here and you should see over here page access. Okay, click on page access like this and it will take you to this next page. As you can see, what you need to do next, as you can see over here, people with Facebook access. So here you can invite people to be admin to your Facebook page. Click over here on add new, click over here on next and search for the person that you want to add to your Facebook page as an admin. So I'm gonna search, for example, for this person. Okay, let's, for example, I'm gonna take this one. You can scroll down, you can give this person, allow this person to have full control. Okay, so he can have full control, or you can just leave it in those limited control. Okay, so you can check those for content, message and calls, community activity, ads, and so on. Okay, and after that, click over here on give access, and you just need to put your Facebook password over here and click on confirm, and that's it. That's how you can add admins to your Facebook page. It's really easy and simple. Thank you so much for watching guys. Hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.